Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I filmed this fun, colorful makeup look. If you guys want to see how to do it, make sure to keep watching. Let's just get into it. Let's not waste any time. I already have the rest of my makeup done. I tried out the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream. Oh my gosh, that was close. I tried out the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream that is viral. I'm sure you guys have all heard everyone raving about this on social media, so decided to try that out. It definitely blew my mind. A full coverage CC cream with SPF 30, collagen, peptides, and niacinamide. Did I say that correctly? I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, it has good ingredients, it has SPF, full coverage. What else would you not want? Oh, and it claims to have a natural finish and color correcting. So yeah, if you guys want to see that, I went ahead and posted that last week, so I'll put it up here. Or is it up here? I don't really know which side the little card is, but I'll also link it down below or at the end of this video so you guys can check that out and see my thoughts about it. But today I just thought I would do like an eye look. Since I already have the rest of my face done, why not just do an eye look? Also, my friend was asking me for a recommendation for which eyeliner brand to use, so I was going back through like all my eyeliners and trying to like remember which eyeliner I liked from the drugstore. I ended up finding, not all from the drugstore, but I ended up finding like a bunch of colorful eyeliners I had that have been like put away in my closet just for like my extra makeup bins or whatever. So I don't know, it just kind of inspired me to want to do like a fun colorful eye look. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Let me go grab those. I have all these fun colors. I don't know what eye look I'm gonna do just yet. I guess I'm gonna start with my eyeshadow, so let me go grab an eyeshadow palette. Ooh, this Marc Jacobs palette. This green and this like coppery color. Those are beautiful. Maybe we'll try this. I do have this like greenish. Whoa, wait. I've never... This focus is way faster than my last camera. If you guys didn't know, I bought a new camera. And in the last video, in the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream video, I asked if you guys like the quality of this one better, so let me know. I think this one is a purple palette. Yeah, purple. I don't think we're gonna do purple, even though I did grab a purple eyeliner too that looked fun. Maybe we should do purple. I don't know, I kind of want to do something that I don't have on my YouTube. I think I have like a blue and purple look. So I went ahead and just pulled out the Jaclyn Hill palette. Can't go wrong with this one. This is her first palette she created with Morphe. We're just gonna start with this. So first thing I'm gonna do is also grab a Jaclyn Hill X Morphe JH31 brush. And I'm just gonna go in with this fourth shade right here, and we're gonna apply this into my transition shade or into my crease as a transition shade. Should I zoom you guys in, shall we? Okay, better, huh? Oh, this is one of the palettes with the shade names in the back. This is the shade MFEO. Alright, so now that we have that down, I think I'm gonna use the JH35 brush. It's just like a flat paddle brush. And I'm gonna use the shade Pooter, which is this like brownish shade right here. And I'm just gonna apply this on the outer lid and blending it into the crease. I'm just starting by packing it onto the outer lid. And then once I start blending it in, I'm gonna flip the brush to where the product is on top of the brush. That way when I'm applying it like straight into the crease, it's going above the crease. This helps your eyelids like appear larger. I'm loving this color. I haven't done like a eyeshadow look in a while. I mean, I filmed one like that I posted a few weeks ago, but like normally I just apply my bronzer on my lid and then I'm good to go. So it's kind of exciting that I started filming more makeup videos again, because it just got me back into makeup a little more, which I mean, I've always been into makeup. I just like changed my makeup style like a lot. I just started doing like a lot more natural makeup, but it's still fun to do like a fun colorful look from time to time. I think I have to put up that ring light because it's getting dark. Is that better? All right, so now going in with this really pretty green shade. This is the 204 The Starlit palette by Marc Jacobs. This is the Style Icon number 7. We're gonna use the Japanese 310 brush. We're just gonna pick up some of that product. I'm not sure. Ooh, that is so pretty. I wasn't sure if I'm gonna need to spray it or not. Let's just... Oh my gosh. Whoa. Did you guys see that? Wow, guys, I didn't even spray the brush. Wow. Oh my gosh. I think I might just have to keep this on my desk because I need to start using this more. And they do have some like really pretty wearable shades as well. Wow. How fun is that? So that was like one swipe, like one dunk into the palette. Let's do the second. It was literally just like a swoosh, swoosh, 2 swipes in for the second layer. Oh my gosh. Wow. I really thought I was gonna have to go back in with my finger because I feel like with shadows like this, like shimmers or foils, the finger does a really good job, but this looks amazing even with the brush. Now going back in with that flat shader brush, I'm just gonna blend out this outer corner so it fades nicely. Okay. Gorgeous. Alright, so going in with those same shades we used for the top lid, we're just gonna apply it on the bottom lid. I'm going in with the transition shade first and just blending it. That was the Sonia Kashuk small eyeshadow brush. And now going in with the Jaclyn Hill JH38 by Morphe. I'm just going to go in with that darker brown shade we used on the lid. And deepening the bottom lash line a little bit. Now, I don't know what color liner we're going to do. Probably just going to end up going with the Makeup Forever I-30. Or I have like some really pretty coppery colors, but I guess let's just try this out, see how it looks like. It's like this really pretty, I don't know, kind of somewhat similar to the lid, but a way deeper shade. I don't know how well this is going to show up in the waterline. Oh, okay. It's pretty old too. Okay, so I kind of just applied it pretty messily so that it's not just in the waterline, but it goes down to like the lash line. Now I'm going to grab this flat brush, also by Jaclyn Hill and Morphe. It's the JH43. And I'm just going to use that to blend out that eyeliner. I haven't done this, I don't know how long it's been since I've done this. But I like that. Wow. By the way, if you're wondering what I have on for the rest of my face, just watch my other video. Like I said, I'll link it at the end of the video so you can just tap on it once you're done with this. Also, my highlight and contour and blush is by Alley-oop. It's like this really cute packaging, very convenient and perfect for traveling, especially if you want to keep your makeup as minimal as possible. Even if you're just like a minimalist in general and don't like to have a lot of makeup, this is like 3-in-1, but technically more than 3-in-1 because I've used these shades for eyeshadow as well and for your lips, so you can kind of get a lot done with this one little palette. Not palette, compact. And you can use my code Elvira10 for 10% off if you're interested in that. Or if you just want to check out their website and grab something else, they have a lot of cool and like neat stuff. I'm really liking how that's looking. I haven't done eyeliner on the bottom in like a really long time. I'm going to apply black eyeliner to my top waterline. Tight lining is what it's called. This is the MAC Graph Black liner. Super creamy. I normally use my Alley-oop highlighter for the corner of my eyes and my brow bones. I'm still going to use this for my brow bone. Oh my gosh, I think I hit pan. The tiny little mark right there. Making me sad. I'm just trying to highlight my brow bone. Like, it's such a pretty highlight. Oh my goodness. Also, like I was saying, I normally use that for my inner corner highlight as well, but I have this one, if I could even find it. Where is it? I have this one. I don't know if it's like a lip liner or a highlighter stick. It literally looks like an eyeliner. Maybe it's an eyeliner, but it looked like the color of it was like a highlighter. Oh, it's right in front of me. Oh my goodness. Okay. It's Makeup Forever. 23L is the shade. And it just looks so pretty. I'm gonna try to use this as an inner corner highlight. I've never used it. I just wanted to try it out. I mean, it's working. It's hard to blend it with these nails though. I don't want it to be like a sharp line anywhere. I think it looks pretty good. So now I'm just gonna go in with some mascara. I have the Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. Haven't used this in forever. I mean, except for when I just bought it recently. I used it a few times since then. But before that, that was like one of my favorites. And I haven't used it in a really long time. Or I haven't purchased it in a really long time. So this is my recent mascara that I've been using. Before that, I've been loving the Chanel Volume de Chanel mascara. And I've been using it for like 2 years. I almost forgot to curl my eyelashes. I don't know why I'm out of breath. I'm literally just sitting. I don't talk this much normally. I mean, I just filmed 2 videos in a row. Seems like I'm just filming this one, but it's a lot of talking for me. More than I'm used to. I'm kind of wondering if like a winged liner would look really good with this look. I haven't done that in a while either. I ate Indian food yesterday, and that's all I can think about today. I really want to go get more. Okay. Oh no. I was being too confident. Alright, so I went ahead and applied lip liner. Where'd it go? I used the Urban Decay Stark Naked Lip Liner all over my lips. It's a little bit too nude, so I'm just going to add a little bit of warmth to it. This one looks pretty. Let's try this one. This is the Bobbi Brown lipstick in the shade Pink Slipper. It's a nourishing lip color. See, I wanted like a warm lip. I like that color. I think I made the right call. Wow, I like that a lot. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of brow gel. I already have some on, but I just want to apply a little bit more, okay? Alright, this is the L'Oreal. This is the Laura Mercier Brunette Brow Dimension Brow Gel. It has like little fibers in it, which is nice because it makes my brows look a little bit hairier, which I need. Alright guys, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Another colorful yet pretty wearable makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with a friend if you're feeling extra generous, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!